Here we are. We just got to the lake and we're gonna start filling it up. All right, here we are. That's Mount St. Helens behind me. We're on Yale Lake, and you just watch us launch, get the boat fully inflated, and you know how to do all that. We're gonna give some more tips too in a minute about inflation, because I've had a lot of comments, some commenters with some basic questions. That's good stuff to go over. But the point of today is to check out an abandoned road over that way. There's a paper mill company out here. Obviously, you can see there's a lot of timber out here. So the paper mill company had a road that ran out there that was closed off decades ago. So we want to check it out, see what's going on back there. Once we get there, we'll fill you in and show you what it's like. If you've ridden one of these things, you know how hard it is to get out after 45 minutes. It's like sitting on a lazy boy. Do most of you watching already have a Intex Excursion, or do you have one, or are you just thinking about getting one? Let me know in the comments. I'm curious about that. Today we're going way back in those trees there. Ready? Alright. Ready to go. Here we are landed, and we're gonna walk off deep into the woods. Somewhere in there. There's some strange stuff that happens out here in this part of the country. I take my motorcycle up in the hills, way back on logging roads, far from what I thought anybody would be, and just come up upon some guy living in a trailer way out there. But it makes it interesting. But this might be it up here. I think I found it. Well, we gotta turn the camera off. We gotta beat back some thorn bushes. It's pretty bad back here. We're getting torn up by these thorns. Look at these. Not to mention, we don't know what kind of animals we're gonna run into out here. I mean, I don't even have image stabilization, much less bear mace. Well, more trail maintenance. We're back though. And that road should be coming up. We've been back here a few times. It used to be a nice trail. This has been treacherous. It's pretty bad this year. Oh, but there's the road right there. They dug out the culverts, so the water just runs through. Well, that wasn't much fun. Pretty hot out here for that. So we took off and we're going to head off to a swimming area that we know of. We'll check back in. If you've watched our channel before, you've seen this. This is where we go swimming. Beautiful day out here. Water's ice cold though. Slippery too. Well, I gotta focus on walking. Alright, I gotta put the camera away. We're expecting high winds. It's probably gonna get worse. But this is smoke. We were not expecting this at all. It's probably gonna get choppier, so we're gonna put the camera away. That's all for today. Thank you for subscribing if you have. If you haven't, please do subscribe. We like making this video, so we'll keep them coming. Enjoy the rest of the vid. And the official beer count, 3. And the inflation tip. If the motor mount looks like this, even at 10 centimeters, put some more air in it. If you're going to put a motor on, you want it to look like this, nice and firm. It's going to be a little more than 10 centimeters, but that's fine.